Hi, Casey Berman, founder of Leave Law Behind, and I am, as always, very happy to be with you in this short video. I want to talk to you today about something that I know I experienced as an attorney, and you probably have experienced or are likely experiencing it, and that is feeling like a fraud. Just feeling like a fraud as an attorney. Just feeling like you don't know what you're doing, which of course is a huge cause of the disconnect, of the misalignment we have with being an attorney, and hence our unhappiness. I'll tell you a quick story. I am born and raised here in San Francisco, and back in 1989, a long time ago, there was a very big earthquake here, disrupted the World Series, knocked down a bunch of freeways, there were deaths, there was a big fire. It was really tragic to the city. And my grandmother, who was alive at the time, said, "You know what, Casey, you should write this down. This is a big deal. Get a journal and start jotting down your notes and thoughts." And I did. It was a great idea. And I've been keeping a journal ever since. And I wrote about that, and then fast forward a few years later to law school, and I'm a 2L trying to get through Crim Pro, and I'm just not understanding it. And then I remember writing in my journal, my confidence is on fumes. I mean, how sad is that? Here I am in law school, and I'm at my lowest. Just I don't know what I'm doing. I felt like a fraud in law school. I really had no idea what was going on. So then you fast forward to a job, and I was in-house counsel for a company called Workshare, software licensing, and but this is where it got even more anxious. I mean, in law school, I felt like, all right, I'll get through law school and I'll find my groove in a job. But now I'm a lawyer. Now I'm actually being paid for something, and I'm not finding my groove. I'm being paid to do law stuff. I'm being paid to be a lawyer. I'm being paid to know this, and it didn't happen. I didn't really get my groove. I didn't understand really what it meant to be a lawyer. Sure, I got by, and sure, I helped, and I was probably better than I thought or to this day think I was, but I still felt like a fraud then. I didn't really enjoy the work. I didn't enjoy the subject matter. I didn't really feel that confident. And I didn't enjoy the subject matter or feel that confident in law school. And that extended to where I was as an attorney. I just wasn't in alignment. I wasn't connected. I never was really in the flow with the job. And I have a feeling that if you're watching this video, you probably feel the same way. All the time, some of the time, most of the time. You're probably nodding your head, and that you feel like a fraud. You feel like you don't know what you're doing. You don't want people to call you out on precedent or on research or on whether you did something. You want to stay quiet. You don't want anyone to know really what you're doing because you don't want to be called out. Now, the way that I have found alignment in my life, the way I found happiness, the way that I have been able to get beyond this idea of being a fraud as an attorney is to find a non-law alternative career. I left the law. I tried different things, but there really was no way I was going to align with the law. I went to law school, probably not for the most critically thought out reasons. And so I ended up being an attorney, and I wasn't a fit with it, and it all made sense. And so I left. I've done a number of things, and now I'm leading this company, Leave Law Behind. And I want to say the same thing to you. I want to encourage you to stop feeling like a fraud. I want to encourage you to get in the flow. Wouldn't it be great to just kind of get in the zone, to do something day to day that you enjoy, that you're good at, that you're paid well for, that adds value, that helps people, that just comes to you? And sure, there's stresses and deadlines and learning new things and learning curves, of course. But when you're doing something that you're just in the zone about, you can learn them. You can deal with the anxieties. You can deal with the stress. You actually look forward to the challenge, as opposed to kind of shirking away as an unhappy attorney who feels like they're not good at it. So I really want to push you now. You are watching this video because you want to leave the law. You know deep down that you're unhappy as being an attorney. Wouldn't it feel great to not feel like a fraud anymore? Well, I have a very quick and easy way for you to do this, to take that first step. And that is to come talk to me. Click on the link below and around this video to schedule a strategic career coaching call with me, Casey Berman, the founder of Leave Law Behind. I will get on the phone directly with you and give you that start you need to leave the law. I will take you through the steps you need to know right now to leave your legal practice. Wouldn't it feel great to just align with the job and feel like you're really doing something that you know how to do. Let me help you get started. Click on the link below or around this video to schedule a coaching call with me, Casey Berman. I look forward to speaking with you, and thank you so much for being here in this video with me. Bye-bye.